What credit score do you need for a Monzo account? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about. What credit score do you need for a Monzo account? I know that credit scores can be confusing, so I'm going to break it down for you and explain everything you need to know. What is a credit score? Before we get into the specifics of Monzo, let's take a step back and talk about what a credit score is. A credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. It is based on your past borrowing and repayment history. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to be approved for a loan or credit card. How are credit scores calculated? There are a number of different factors that go into calculating your credit score. These include your payment history. How often do you make late payments on your bills? Your credit utilization ratio. How much of your available credit are you using? The length of your credit history. How long have you had credit? The types of credit you have. Do you have a mix of credit cards, loans, and mortgages? Your recent credit inquiries. How many times have you applied for new credit in the past few months? What is a good credit score? What is considered a good credit score can vary depending on the lender. However, in general, a score of 670 or higher is considered to be good. A score of 740 or higher is considered to be excellent. What credit score do you need for a Monzo account? Now that we know the basics of credit scores, let's get back to the question at hand. What credit score do you need for a Monzo account? The good news is that you don't need a high credit score to get a Monzo account. In fact, you don't need a credit score at all. Monzo uses a different type of credit assessment called soft credit check. This type of check does not affect your credit score. Instead, Monzo will look at your income and spending habits to determine whether or not you are eligible for an account. What are the benefits of having a Monzo account? There are a number of benefits to having a Monzo account, including no credit check required, free in-app budgeting tools, roundups that automatically save spare change, cashback rewards on everyday spending, international spending with no fees. How to apply for a Monzo account. If you're interested in applying for a Monzo account, you can do so online or through the Monzo app. Once you've submitted your application, Monzo will review it and let you know if you've been approved. Conclusion. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more information about Monzo, you can check out their website or social media channels. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about credit scores, I encourage you to check out my other blog posts on the topic. I also have a number of videos on my YouTube channel that you may find helpful. Thanks for watching.